Module 4, Lesson 7's objective is to relate addition using manipulatives to a written vertical method. Item 1 says solve the following problems using your place value chart and number discs. Bundle a 10 when necessary. I will underline using your place value chart and number discs to remind me that those are the directions I am to follow. Item A, 31 plus 9. Here is my place value chart. I will label it 1s and 10s. Now for the number 31, I know that there is 1 in the number 31, so I will draw it. And there are 3 10s in 31, so I will draw 3 10s. Okay, now I need to add the 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's my equals line. The last lesson, lesson 6, required you to bundle them with another color of ink, or with drawing with your pencil and then showing how they moved over to the 10 spot when you bundled a 10. But this lesson's objective says to relate the addition using manipulatives to a written vertical method. So we know that 1 and 9 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. 10 has 0 1s and 1 group of 10. And then the 10s are over here, 1, 2, 3, and this one that we carried right here is 4. So 31 plus 9 is 40. I want to show you using a drawing now that I've shown you using the written vertical method. If you didn't understand what I just did, you can see that these ones all add up to 10 and really can then be transferred over here to the 10s column. I did that with the written vertical method by transferring it right there. See this one right here? That's in the 10s column. Once I transferred that bundle of 10 into the 10s column, that left 0 1s behind. Now let's look at item B, because I think you can do 32 plus 8 using the same technique I just showed you. So item B, 42 plus 18. Here's my place value chart, labeled 1s and 10s. First, I'll draw 42. There are 2 1s in 42. 1, 2. And 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now we move on to 18. There are 8 1s in 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 group of 10s. Now I'll draw my equals line. And now I'll add them up using the written vertical method. 2 1s plus 8 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's 10. So again, 10 has 0 1s and 1 group of 10. Now, how many 10s are on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this one here is 6. So the answer is 60. If that didn't make sense to you, now I'll show you using the manipulatives in bundling with illustration. We know that there are 10 1s. If we bundle all these together, it makes a group of 10, which would normally slide over here if we had straws or individual bundles that we wanted to put a rubber band around and move to the tens column. But in the written vertical method, I put the group of 10 right here. Then I added up each of the tens in the tens column, and that was adding up to 60. Altogether, 6 groups of 10, 0 ones, equals 60. All right, you do the same thing for the one next to it, for 43 plus 17. Now I'll do 26 plus 67. I better pick a different color so you can see where it is on the paper here. 26 plus 67. Here's my place value chart, ones and tens. 26 has 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 tens. 1, 2. Okay, now 67. 67 has 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops, why don't I go ahead and move that last one over here. Now here's my equals line. And now I will add them up using the written vertical method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is written like this: 3 ones and 1 group of 10. Now let's see how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this one here is 9. Now, if that didn't make sense to you, here's an illustration showing how I bundled them. This 5 bundled with this 5 makes a group of 10 and slides into the tens column, which I put right there. That left these 3 ones right here. Oops. Let me see if I can highlight them better for you. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Those 3 are the leftover ones that I put right here. And then I simply counted how many bundles of 10 there were, including this one that I put over here from regrouping, and that made 93. Now you do the one 28 plus 65 on your own using the same method as I've been showing you. Problem 2. Add the bottom numbers to find the missing number above it. In order to solve this problem, you need to start at the bottom. So the answer that goes here is the answer of 18 plus 23. I'll write it up and down like this and show you how we can do it using the place value chart without the number discs. 8 and 3 more is 11. So I'll put the 1 for the ones column and the 1 for the tens column there. 2 and 1 is 3, and that extra 1 is 4. So this number 41 will go right here. Now for 23 and 29, you can write it again in the vertical number way, vertical written method of 23 plus 29. If it would help you, you could draw your 3 dots next to the 3 and 23, and your 9 dots next to the 9 and 29. And the same with the numbers in the tens. You would know that 9 and 3 is 12. 12 is written with 2 1s and 1 10. 2 and 2 is 4, and the 1 10 makes 5. So that's 52. It goes right here. Now you do the last part yourself. You add 41 and 52 together to get the answer that goes on the top. Don't forget, if you run out of room, attach a piece of scratch paper to your homework paper so your teacher knows that you solved the problems using the strategies that were taught. Thank you.